Thank you for staying with Easy Friday. Happy International Women's Day ahead of the celebrations tomorrow to all women across the world who are watching, as well as the men who support women. My name is Betty Kiptum. This is the business news. Sugarcane and cassava are the crops that will fuel Kenya's clean cooking and energy drive that will leverage cogeneration of renewable energy and bioethanol. Energy Cabinet Secretary, that is Opiyo Wandayi, says Kenya generates 11.3 million litres of ethanol annually against a demand of 40 million, with the deficit plugged through imports. Wycliffe Oketch reports.
From the sugar subsector.
Kenya's clean cooking and energy drive is anchored on increasing ethanol production from the current 11.3 million litres annually to 200 million litres by the year 2035.
Our coming here in this conference has been very useful in the sense that stakeholders and players in this sector are able to come together and share ideas and eventually agree on a way forward in terms of upscaling cogeneration and bioethanol uptake as a drive towards clean cooking.
Opiyo says the government is keen on upscaling the feed-in tariff instituted in 2018 by exploiting the sugar subsector's 300 megawatts potential.
And we also want to achieve the net zero by 2050. And you have an obligation as a signatory to the Paris Agreement as a country to progressively reduce our emissions. Carbon emissions.
Already, Mumia Sugar Company is contributing 26 megawatts to the national electricity grid through the feed-in tariff formulation.
We are encouraging the sugar millers to take up this matter very, very seriously.
Wandayi spoke during a stakeholder cogeneration conference in Kisumu. Wycliffe Oketch for Easy Friday.